Hey, what's up YouTube? No silent video today. Just showing you all the stuff I've been picking up, knocking out Christmas. I think Teddy Ruxpin was 10 or 15 bucks. So yeah, I've been picking up all this little stuff for Christmas this year. Legos. I mean, $7 for a Lego set. I mean, you can't go wrong. $5 for a Star Wars set. Some more car wash stuff. This is the junk room, so anything you see here was at least 75% off. I mean, I got this stuff dirt cheap. I think I'm gonna start Christmas shopping in January this coming year too. So but yeah, like I said, I mean, this thing was like $5 or $6. Like I said, he was $10, $15. I think those were $7. Those were like a quarter a piece. I don't even know how much, but it was next to nothing. These huge Thomas the Train sets, I think I got them for $25 a piece. Originally $100 or so. Let me find the UPC for you. There it is, down there in case one of y'all's kids want one or somebody. I mean, I got this thing for stupid cheap. I mean, yeah, man, Christmas is almost done this year naturally. UPC's on the bottom, right there, in case anyone wants it. This shows $35. I promise I didn't pay $35 for this thing. All the Disney Princess Barbie dolls, I think that was $10, I think. Some stores had it for $40, some stores had it for $20, and I got lucky and I think I got that for $10. Huge Spider-Man thing. I mean, I got the Batmobile for my nephew for, I don't know, $50-$60 last year. So yeah, been knocking Christmas out. Oh yeah, found these today. Don't mind all the paint stuff. I've been painting. Yeah, there you go. 3-piece hex key, $5. I mean, heck yeah. After I picked these up, I went and looked, and they had just a single one for like $5.97. So 3 for $5, yeah. And this is what I have left from. Don't mind Mickey Mouse. All the pellet guns, man. I still got a bunch of them. I've sold a bunch, but that's what I got. I hadn't picked up any more broadheads because I still got, well, I don't know, however many of these are. But I doubt they're still out there for $7. But hey, if you can find them, get them. I had at least 60 of those. I might keep those. I might keep the rest of those. I might buy a bow, start bow hunting. Two scopes left and a metal detector. I mean, that's it. That's all I got left, man. I need to get the boots on tight. Get some more stuff. Still got two of these ground blinds. I need to list them, see if I can move them. But I'll roll in some pictures of what I took in Walmart earlier today. And yeah, other than that, I'm out, guys. See ya.